So again, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've noticed, I have the same makeup throughout these 3 videos is because I filmed them sitting in one row. So this is going to be a video on how I style my dreads without actually having them installed on my head. If you haven't seen already, watch my other video. I mentioned where I get my dreads done and how much they cost and who does them and everything like that. The first look I would do to make my dreads look like they are actually in my hair would be to have my hair just in a bun. So you guys, I just filmed all of this and then realised that my camera wasn't recording. But basically I just had them up in a bun, a few dangly pieces, a big bobbin over them. If you don't like that piece dangling down, literally just tuck it up there, you know, and it's gone. No, this is pretty sturdy. At the top, like, you could probably see that there's like you can see my real hair, but like no one can actually see that, so that's this look. This is it from behind. From the side.
It's sturdy, you know, it's not going anywhere.
But yeah, let me just do this look with a few different colours, maybe, just to show you guys. So next I'm just going to use this brown and burgundy blonde set, which won't look too right now because my real hair colour isn't this colour. But this is how I did the last ones, you just didn't get to see. I kind of like really just tie it around, like. And then again, this is like the hardest part, and it's trying to get like a bobbin over it all to get it to stay. Then you can just mess about with it, make it look a bit more messy or whatever way you want it to. And then I go in with one of my other dreads, normally a really skinny piece. Like, they're all kind of the same size, but you know. And I go just like this. And again, the hairband goes up. And tuck in that. And that's this look with some brown dreads. So yeah, this style is just going to be for like if you're doing videos or pictures and stuff like that, like not going actually outside. And the look I really liked to do the other day was I had like blondes on one side, like, and then I had like browns on just the other. And I think that's what I'm going to show you guys. And I set them on a strand of hair. Just like that. I'll just go like this. And all I'm doing is just tying a knot. And then with these. So yeah, I kind of used too many dreads for this. Like, I didn't have them separated the right way because I'm being lazy, I'm not gonna lie. But kind of just bring a few of them in front of your ear, just for now. Get the desired height you want, and stick a hat on. And then, like, really I think that looks like they're coming from my head. So, that's them like this. And then basically you can do that with just different colours. I'm going to definitely try to do that again better. This is going to work out better. Basically again. I know this is disgusting, I don't care. Like that. So I hang my dreads like that. Two different dreads on each side, 2 different colours. So yeah, that, you guys, is kind of how I would put my dreads in my hair when they're not actually installed. So it's just some ways that, like, if you do get your dreads done and, you know, you don't want to go back and get more installed, you can literally just kind of do a little quick updo like that. It's really easy. I really thought I knew more styles that I could make a decent video out of this, but maybe I might actually just add this into the first video that I filmed to know questions on my dreads, because, yeah. Again, like, comment, subscribe, go check out all my social media. My Instagram and Snapchat and TikTok are linked in the description below, and I'll have them pop up like here, here and here. So again, if you guys have made it this far, thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.